Yo, it's your boy Shadow Sniper again, back with another video, and today I'm just going to show you all how to install the Microbes live wallpaper, which was found on the Galaxy Note and the Galaxy S2. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go download this application, ES File Explorer. It's free from the marketplace on your phone. Once you've downloaded that, you need to go and download the Microbes live wallpaper APK file. Once you've downloaded it, just store it on your desktop. Then you need to connect your phone to USB. Open up phone, scroll down, drag and drop the Microbes APK file onto a blank space on your SD card, and then you can shut that down. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to open up ES File Explorer, scroll down to where it says Microbes APK. I've already got it installed, so you'll see an option to install it. Just install it and then press done, and then it will have installed. So you go into settings, go into wallpaper, home screen, live wallpapers, and there you have it, Microbes live wallpaper. So that's it for the tutorial video on how to install Microbes live wallpaper onto your S3. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.